Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again, and I'm back with another vlog. I would have had a vlog up earlier, but I just re-recorded the 5 things I love about this bike. Go ahead and watch that. Link in the cards. And also the top 5 things I dislike. That's thing 2. The re-recorded because I got caught in the rain, and I mean it absolutely fucking pissed. Oh no, and I just realised that I was going to include some of that because it was quite funny, and I deleted it. Great. Good job. What I wanted to talk about was there's enough madness going on in the world. You know, there's enough shit I could talk about. I actually wanted to talk about Germany, and I wanted to talk about what's going on with Germany and their like motorbike laws now. Germany are just going fucking bananas. So first they became really strict on their noise pollution. Have they not heard their like S1000s or even their GSs with an acro on it? They're fucking loud. So I don't actually know the exact number, but I just know if your bike is too loud, you're either pushing it or getting it towed home. I don't know why they done that. It's stupid. So they done that, which again was stupid, and then they went, you know what, Sundays and public holidays, let's try ban bikes because they're noise polluting the air and all this other shite. I need to fill up for petrol. But what morons sat at a table, and it was multiple morons because it was, you know, they're trying to actually bring it into law. It wasn't just one person, it was several, and they went, you know what, bikes, I don't like them, they're too loud, they're this, that and the other. Let's try ban them from riding on Sundays and public holidays. But like, I just don't get it. I don't get it in the slightest. Great job. Massive protests. I think something like 6,000 bikes in some parts of Germany protesting Sunday and public holidays. Yeah, obviously that's when the most bikes are going to be out because most people are, oh fuck, oh my god, was that a rock? Oh, well, I think it was a rock, and now a big chip in my visor, I think. Lovely jubbly. I think there's been several other countries that are like, will we follow this? See, the main issue is that in Europe they're kind of stupid when it comes to stuff like this. You know, Ireland, we're kind of one of the only countries that don't really have like a noise pollution law, so to speak, like for vehicles on the road. It can kind of be as loud as it wants, except for like, say, cars. When they have to go for an NCT, they need to have like the catalytic converter and all that good stuff. Oh, that has tar in it and it smells fucking amazing. Oh yes, please don't be going straight though, as nice as you smell. Oh yes, please don't go straight, please don't go straight. Thank fuck for that. Noise pollution my ass. Much bikes can be as loud as they want. Now I think cops can give you shit over it, but I don't think there's an actual defined standard of that's too loud. Like I think I've seen like some of the KTM Super Duke with a full Austin Racing system was like 120 decibels or something fucking retarded like that. I got this measured in Mondello and it was 104, and the limit on Mondello was 105, so I was very lucky. Like tracks here we have limits because like neighbours and shit, but roads we don't. And again, I said in another video, but there isn't a lot of bikes in this country anyway. A lot of people like to hate on bikes, but there really isn't a lot of us. I just think it's absolutely mental what they're doing. Like Germany, the pinnacle for obviously BMW, like their bikes are amazing. The Nürburgring, the Autobahn, that's a lot of birds. Little wheelie followed by a popsicle. I just don't get it. I really don't get it. And there's, you know, there's probably more to it that maybe the news is insane. And to be completely honest, I didn't read a lot of it because it kind of annoyed me. It really pissed me off. This guy's giving it. Oh, is he going to get air at the bridge? Let me get up behind him so he can get air in the bridge. Go on, do it. Oh, he's slowing down too much. Damn it. This bridge is a bitch. If you hit it too fast, it absolutely throws you up. What do you guys think of Germany doing this? You know, I'm on the fence with similar stuff. Like, I love that there's no noise pollution shit in Ireland because I love having my loud bike it's kind of a part of a bike, really. The loud, the speed, the fun. And I just think the fact that they're kind of outright banning them is just ridiculous, and it seems to just be a way that for them to get money. And the bigger issue is that if Germany actually pass it, the rest of Europe will follow, and Ireland being the fucking sheep of the country that we are, we will follow suit in something similar, and there will be war. I told you, war. But anyway, guys, I'm going to end that video. What do you guys think of Germany doing that? Do you think they'd actually pass it into law? Do you think they'll be successful? I don't think they will. I think there was way too much uproar. I think even non-bikers were in uproar over it as well, like protests. I think it'd be very interesting to see what happens. You know, there's kind of enough shit in the world. Let bikers be bikers. That's what I say. I'm going to get a t-shirt. But that's the video, guys. Hope all of you enjoyed. Again, stick your thoughts and comments below. But like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you on the next video.